Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest in tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Dell XPS 17, a powerhouse of a laptop that's been turning heads with its impressive specs and sleek design.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design.
The Dell XPS 17 is a stunner, with its platinum silver exterior and carbon fiber detailing.
It's got that premium look and feel that we've come to expect from the XPS line.
But beauty is more than skin deep with this laptop. Under the hood, you'll find some serious power.
With options for up to a 13th General Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, and up to 64 GB of RAM. This thing is a beast when it comes to performance. And let's not forget about the display.
The Dell XPS 17 boasts a stunning 17-inch UHD Plus touchscreen with infinity edge bezels.
Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, everything looks crisp and vibrant on this screen. Speaking of editing, let's talk about performance.
Whether you're tackling heavy workloads or indulging in some gaming, the XPS 17 handles it all with ease.
Our benchmark tests showed impressive results across the board, making this laptop a true workhorse. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: battery life.
While the XPS 17's powerful components do take a toll on battery life, it still manages to hold its own with over 9 hours of use on a single charge. Plus, it charges up quickly thanks to Thunderbolt connectivity. So, should you buy the Dell XPS 17? If you're in the market for a powerful, elegant laptop with a gorgeous display, then absolutely. Just be prepared to shell out some serious cash for all that performance. But if you need something more portable or budget-friendly, you might want to look elsewhere. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.